Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to locate TEMU pickup station nearest to you in TEMU shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TEMU shopping app. After you open up your TEMU shopping app, before you can know which of their nearest pickup station that is very much near to your location, you need to add some item to cart. So when you add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on cart right here. When you click on cart, it's going to take you to all the products you have in your cart right here. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to proceed to checkout right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, for you to know any of the pickup station nearest to you, go ahead and click on pick up free. Now, you will be given an address that is very much close to your location based on your address, and your name and your phone number will be indicated on the nearest address that will be given to you by TEMU. However, you can decide to click on change right here to see more location that is very close to you. Then once this is pumped up, go ahead and click on change right here. Then you have access to all their locations pickup station right here. There is another one here, Ikorodu Majido, and the one given here is Abeson, Ikorodu Lagos, which is Sabo area. Then another one here is Itamaga Greek. Another one here, depends on your address. Everything will be given to you right here. There is another experience center in Obudu, another one at Oregon. So you can scroll down right here. Everything will be given right here. So here, you can switch to anyone that is very much close to your location and pick up your item all for free. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your TEMU shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.